Not only is Brandeis finding ways for me to be able to change the world and to contribute positively to the world, but they're also doing it in ways that I find interesting and ways that are very timely and very important to me, which is combating anti-Semitism.
Taking the skills I've learned in my classes and the resources that have been provided, I think I can go into a career that's going to do social good. Everyone around me is so driven in the field of social justice that I know that through Brandeis, I will get there.
I think making a difference in the world is absolutely something I've dreamt of. I think it's something that's been a part of my identity. Being different has, for the longest time, been something that I was afraid of, but now, since being at Brandeis, I realize that is my superpower. That is really what I can use and what I have to utilize in order to make such a difference in the world.
We take these classes, we learn these topics, and we discuss these subjects because it's for the betterment of the world and because we should hopefully be able to take all of the information and all of the skills that we're getting from these classes and actually be able to contribute to the world.
There's just incredible people here that care and want to make a difference in the world, and that translates into the work that we do. And I really wouldn't want to be anywhere else.